Hello everyone! Today, we will see how Annie assists her mother Janet in using a quad stick. There are 3 steps you can follow. Walking up and down the stairs, crossing over small gaps, sitting down. Annie positions her mother's leg forward, towards the edge of the chair. She helps move the quad stick forward while maintaining her mother's balance as she stands up. Annie supports her mother's weaker side as she starts walking. When walking down the stairs, move the cane forward first, followed by the weaker leg, and finally, the stronger leg. When walking up the stairs, move the cane forward first, followed by the stronger leg, and finally, the weaker leg. When crossing small gaps, move the cane over the gap first. The weaker leg crosses over the gap, followed by the stronger leg. Annie helps her mother to sit down, making sure that the chair is stable as she backs up by moving her stronger leg first, followed by the weaker leg, and lastly, the cane. We hope you found this video helpful. For more information, please visit the CareBuddy website.